Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of November. And as you know, they are general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Sagittarians. Okay, so let's get started for Sagittarians. Wow, you have the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, the Eight of Swords. Ace of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. What's this? Five of Pentacles. I was feeling happy for you seeing the Ace of Pentacles. Anyway, let's see. Three of Cups. The Six of Swords. The Four of Wands. Judgment. The Fool. The Queen of Wands. The Page of Wands. Okay, let's see what are the messages from this deck for Sagittarians. Again, the Fool card. So we have definitely something new, but a little later, I guess. Let's see. Guidance from the angels for Sagittarians. Okay, so Sagittarians, you started something new which seemed to be very promising. At least that is what you wanted it to be. And it seemed to be promising, it seemed to be stable, it seems to be a very divine type of a connection over here. There was definitely, or at least it was offered to you. It was there, I think. See, what's happening here is, you know what, it's totally different type of a thing which I'm getting. Anyway, so there's something new which started, I think. And with the Eight of Swords and the Five of Pentacles, somehow I feel that you couldn't avail this opportunity. So something was presented to you from the universe, and you knew it, you were very well aware of it, that yes, it's there, you, if you want, it looks stable, it looks very promising. But with the Eight of Swords and with the Five of Pentacles, I think you couldn't avail this opportunity because of some sort of reluctancy, some sort of inhibitions, that you couldn't come out of the experiences you were caged in. Okay, so you had a certain thought process, perhaps certain concepts, certain experiences which were holding you back, and because of this, that you couldn't step forward and avail this Ace of Pentacles completely. Here somebody is feeling left out in the cold, you feel ignored, abandoned, rejected. See, with the Three of Cups over here, maybe you spent some time with this person, some parties, some friendships, some get-togethers, maybe. Can be a third-party relationship over here or a love triangle for some of you. I don't know why I'm getting the fact that with the Six of Swords and the Four of Wands following it, what I feel here is that somebody is returning home. Again and again, I'm getting the same vibe since the beginning of the reading, is as if it's as if somebody was involved in a love triangle or in a third party relationship, and now that person is leaving that situation towards a family, towards a committed relationship. Okay, so maybe they are returning to a family which they already had if it was a love triangle. And if it wasn't a love triangle, then maybe this person uh, had to leave the relationship for some reason, and now this person is moving in towards a committed relationship. Okay, obviously it will be different for different people. Okay, so somebody here is leaving a relationship because that person felt ignored, felt unappreciated, maybe because of the reason that the other person didn't step up, or the other person didn't had some bad experiences, they were too reluctant in opening up, and maybe because of that this person, somebody here, felt tied to something that they couldn't step out, and maybe that is why the other person had to leave the relationship and decide to move into a committed relationship. Now this committed relationship can be a new relationship, but for those of you, if it involves a love triangle, then maybe somebody is returning home to their own family. Okay, because it didn't ultimately work out. And here with the judgment and the fool card, definitely it is resetting of the button, which I feel is it's resetting of your life and you are ready for a new beginning. So definitely what I feel here is it is not the same thing. You are readjusting your life. It's something new actually. This is something new. This is something different from what it was, because this is walking away. This somebody here is walking away from something which looked very promising and now is ready to uh, write a different chapter of a life, a new chapter of your life, and take a major decision as to no, this is, I want a fresh beginning. This is my final decision. It's okay. Whatever has happened, happened. So this person is ready to move in into a new life, and that new life is this Four of Wands, a committed relationship. And here with the Queen of Wands, again, this is talking about the Queen of Wands is that you are now sitting pretty cool, attractive. Now here you are feeling good about yourself. Okay, here you are feeling rejected, you are feeling ignored, abandoned. But here with the Queen of Wands, once you've taken this decision of leaving this, you are feeling, today many readings have come out like this. So once you, in many readings, think people are walking away and leaving situations and moving towards better life for themselves, choosing better lives for themselves. Even maybe all the readings which I've done today. So from Cancer onwards, I guess, more or less, many readings are like this. So anyway, so here you are ready to step in a new life, a committed life. You are feeling empowered. You are feeling good about yourself. You are feeling happy, content, and everything. And you know that you've taken the right decision over here. With the Page of Wands, definitely feeling good about yourself, flamboyant, happy, chirpy, ready to move into the new life over here. And here again we have the Fool card from this deck. New beginnings, everything is new. So definitely your decision to leave what was making you feel bad about yourself, and you were feeling as if you're not required in that relationship. So the person was ignoring you and you were feeling hurt about it. So the moment you walk away, you are feeling good about yourself. With the Four of Abundance, this is a time to reflect upon your relationship with money. Are you spending it too freely, or are you holding on to it too tightly? This can also relate to how you give yourself to others. Is your heart open, or are you holding back? Your hard work and wise investments will bring great success. So this is about this Eight of Swords. So this is somebody who is not able to open up, who is not able to open up emotionally, who is not able to invest in any relationship. So if that is you, then definitely this is, you need to open up more if you really want to have this Four of Wands and this happiness. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe for you. Guidance from the universe for this reading. Okay, so we have the strength, the Five of Cups, the King of Cups, the Ten of Cups, Six of Wands. What else do you want? So, dealing with the situation with a lot of perseverance, a lot of strength, with the Five of Cups that shows up as disappointment. When you were feeling hurt, you were feeling abandoned because somebody with the King of Cups was not opening up. This person was not opening up. They were not showing their emotions. Everything was guarded. This person was not able to move ahead. It can be you, it can be them. Okay, and that is why you were feeling hurt about it. And now the thing is, here this is the Ten of Cups and the Six of Wands. So the moment, or it can be you once you decided to take control of your emotions. Okay, once you thought, no, I need to focus on my emotions, I need to be emotionally mature, I need to be in control of my emotions, whatever has happened, it happened. You are moving towards your Ten of Cups and the Six of Wands, which is emotional contentment, which is happiness, which is family, which is victorious. You're feeling good about yourself, you're feeling happy and content with whatever life is now giving you because you've taken the right decision. Okay, so Sagittarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.